Do you smell? Do you smell? Yeah, you do. Yeah, I know. I told you did. Like, really, really, really bad? Yeah. Do you want to change your own diaper? Oh, yeah, no, I wouldn't either. Am I gonna throw up? Marcus, am I gonna throw up? No? Are you sure? I think I'm going to. No, don't come. You smell. You smell. You smell. No, get out of here. You smell. Oh, okay, I feel bad. I take it back. Okay, you do. You smell. Gross. Okay, let's change your diaper. Come. Ew, oh my god, I'm gonna throw up.